If you are new to the page, welcome. I'm Julie Samaco, owner of Southern Charm Wreaths, where we make beautiful wreaths and teach you how to make and sell them. In this video, we're going to be making an Easter bunny wreath. Are y'all getting ready for the weekend? Obviously, we can't do anything fun, go out of town or anything, since we're all staying at home. But, you know, we getting to love on our family a lot, aren't we? I say that sarcastically. I'm going to work on this Deco mesh. It's a Deco mesh wreath. It's been a while since I've been on here and done Deco mesh. I'm just going to make 10-inch little poofs. Moving around my wreath. I love this burlap color. Burlap has been, it's just something you can use, you know, all year round. I mean, I've used burlap for Christmas, for spring, summer. It's just one of those very good colors to use for mesh. I'm just going to go around and put my mesh on my work wreath form. Listen, if you're looking for detailed instructions on how to make a spring Deco mesh wreath, I've got something here for you. It is a free tutorial. It's just my way of trying to give back to everyone, you know, having to stay at home. And I know some people are just tired of binging Netflix. And so if you're looking to maybe watch a spring Deco mesh wreath tutorial, there's the link for you. It's just help you learn how to make a Deco mesh wreath. It's definitely detailed. It goes a lot into coloring, where I get my supplies, and all of that. So make sure to join that. You just put in your email address at the link, not here under the comments of the video, at the link, and then it will send it to you in your email. If you guys wouldn't mind sharing this video, I'd be most appreciated. This helps to spread the wreath love all over Facebook, and it helps my small business out. So that would be most appreciative if you just share the video. Almost done. So now what I'm doing is I've done the inner ring and I'm just moving to my outer ring. Again, if you're wanting very detailed instructions, go to that video that I just posted. And it'll give you some more detailed instructions. So here is our wreath. It's ready for ribbon, which is going to be this ribbon. I love the color combinations with this little bunny. Isn't this cute? I just thought that this little carrot ribbon would look super cute. This bunny is from Carolina Pottery here in the Columbia, South Carolina area. So here's our ribbon colors. So the ribbon, the carrot ribbon I got from Carolina Pottery. And then I purchased this ribbon from Trendy Tree, the green. And then the orange and yellow ribbon I purchased wholesale. So I got them from all over the place. So here we have our ribbons. So if you wanted to stop right here, you could. So that's why I'm saying every little step that we do with this wreath is just a layer on top of a layer. So I'm going to go ahead and attach my little Easter bunny. Let's see where I want him. I do believe, I'm trying to decide, I don't think I want his head in the center. Yes, I do. I want his head in the center. So let's put him right here. And then we'll tie him around. He's got that black and white going on for him, doesn't he? Are y'all fans of it? The black and white, the trend. Oh, looky here. We got some bend going on. So we've got our bunny added. Cute. And then I think at this point I'm going to go ahead and add him up on my easel. There. So we've got our Easter bunny up here. Cute. And this is when I like to add flowers. So if you, again, want to stop here, you can. But I'm going to keep going. I like to add a little bit of florals. I'm a floral girl. So my style of making includes lots of flowers. So I've just cut it off the bush and just bend it into shape so that I can start adding. All right, so we've got our greenery in place, some of it, some of it. Okay, so we've gone let me show you, we've gone all around the perimeter of our wreath with greens. So now what I'm going to do is some of the inner ring with our greens. So the skillet, the glue skillet, there's a lot of questions, always get questions about the skillet. It is something that you typically would cook fried chicken in. So we're from the South, so we do country fried steak and chicken in our electric skillets. So if that rings a bell, if your mom or grandma used to do that, that's what I'm using. It's just an electric skillet, and all it does is melt the glue. I don't clean it out or anything like that. I just keep adding more glue on top of it. And the inner ring that I can keep, I could add more if I needed to, but I'm going to switch over to some flowers. I got this from Trends and Gems. I think they're now called Greenery Market on Etsy. So if you go to Etsy Greenery Market, you can find these little flowers. I'm just going to cut these off. I'm just going to put a little steel pick on the end of a couple of these. Bend them out. So we've got some fun little bunny going on. I think I'm going to do that. I think what I'm going to do is just twist this on. just like that. And then I'm adding some florist wire on the back of, or on the, around the back, so I can have a way to tie it on somehow. Where I'm going to attach it is the question. So we've got that, our little carrots added, and I think I'm going to go ahead and add our little black and white ornaments. So another step that if you don't want to add any more, you don't have to, you know, it's just completely up to you. So let's see. I'm just going to start randomly adding. Okay. How cute. He turned out so cute. Thank you for joining me. Again, if you are new to the page, please take this time to subscribe and like our Facebook page, so when we do another Facebook Live, you'll be in on the action. And if you are watching the replay on YouTube, make sure to subscribe to us over there. We put a lot of these videos over there also on YouTube. And I hope y'all have a wonderful, safe, and healthy weekend.